I'm here at the Hair Club salon, excited for the appointment with my stylist.
Hey Sam, great to see you.
Good to see you too.
All right, we're excited to get your hair done today. It's been a while since you've been in.
Oh my God, I missed it. So I'm really, really happy to be here, and I am super thrilled with the safety precautions that you guys are taking. I feel so safe here. So
that's great. HairClub is verified clean.
Awesome.
So we've taken all the personal protection precautions for everybody and all our clients and our stylists. And is there anything that you're interested in doing today a little different than you've done before, or what's your expectations today?
Not necessarily. I've been super happy. I'm just really excited to have my hair back on and have that thicker, more full look. So
great.
That's about it. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Well, let's do
excited.
it.
Yes, please.
All right.
As a woman, it is something that we lead with. Hair is super important to us, along with makeup. So not being the glam goddess, as I claim to be, not having the hair to go along with it, really, really bothered me. I don't think anybody ever knew that it was missing or that I didn't feel as confident with my hair as I did. But once I had my hair, oh my God, complete game changer. So I had that full-blown celebrity hair. At social events, which I have to attend quite often, I definitely feel more confident. I love the look of full hair, and I feel like it just makes me feel even better. If a woman is considering coming to HairClub, I would tell her to definitely come, even just for a consultation, because so many people don't know the options that are out there. So even if you just come in for a consultation, I'm sure there's a fit for you here. HairClub is one of the best things I've ever done for myself.